Hi, today I'll show you how to check LeadSquared analytics on the leads details page. So I'm already inside my LeadSquared account. I'm going to manage leads and opening up one of the leads from here. Once you are in the leads profile, you see this analytics section. And this is where you find three really useful things. First, the lead score. This number basically adds up every activity this lead has done, like WhatsApp messages, form submissions, whatever. It gives you a quick idea of how engaged they've been. Then there is the engagement score. This one is super helpful if you want to know who's exactly interested in your product or service. It looks at stuff like how the lead is interacting with your UI, what they are clicking on, how long they are staying, and all of that. Higher the score, more likely they are to buy. And finally, you've got lead properties. Here you find things like lead owner, source, and even lead age. So how long this person has been in your system. That's pretty much it. You don't have to click around too much. It's right here on the lead page.